Confined space safety. Introduction. Confined spaces can be dangerous and pose a serious risk to workers who enter them. To ensure the safety of workers, it's important to understand the hazards and risks associated with confined spaces, and to implement appropriate safety measures. Body. What is a confined space? A confined space is a limited or restricted area that is not designed for continuous human occupancy. Examples of confined spaces include tanks, vessels, silos, pits, and pipelines. Hazards and risks. Confined spaces can contain a variety of hazards, including hazardous atmospheres, sharp edges, moving machinery, and limited access. Workers who enter confined spaces are at risk of suffocation, fire, explosion, and entrapment. Safety measures. To reduce the risks associated with confined spaces, it's important to implement appropriate safety measures, such as hazard assessment, ventilation, personal protective equipment, PPE, isolation and lockout/tagout, and emergency response plans. Supervisor's role. As a supervisor, it's important to be proactive in monitoring activities in confined spaces to ensure the safety of workers. This includes participating in hazard assessments, ensuring that a comprehensive safety plan is in place, and monitoring and inspecting the confined space to ensure that all safety measures are in place and are being followed. Conclusion. Confined spaces can be dangerous and pose a serious risk to workers who enter them. By understanding the hazards and risks, and implementing appropriate safety measures, we can ensure the safety of workers and prevent accidents or injuries in confined spaces. It's important to always follow safe practices and procedures when working in confined spaces to minimize the risk of accidents or injuries.